Tired of waiting for your paycheck to clear? Wish there was a faster, more reliable way to get your hard-earned money into your account? If you've ever found yourself nodding along to those questions, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into something that's not just a convenience, but a game changer for your financial flow, setting up direct deposit in Roger. Now, before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's talk a little bit about why direct deposit is such a big deal. For years, the traditional paper check was king. You'd get your check, trudge to the bank, wait in line, and then wait again for the funds to actually become available. It was a process riddled with potential delays, lost checks, and frankly, a whole lot of wasted time. Enter direct deposit. This isn't just about speed, it's about security, consistency, and giving you immediate access to your funds. No more worrying about checks getting lost in the mail, no more special trips to the bank, and no more waiting games. Your money goes directly from your employer's bank account to yours, often on the very same day. For anyone managing their finances, running a household, or just wanting peace of mind, direct deposit is an absolute essential. And when it comes to managing your business expenses, payroll, and overall financial health, Roger has emerged as a powerful tool. It simplifies so many of the complexities that businesses face, from automated bill pay to expense tracking. Integrating direct deposit within Roger isn't just about getting paid faster, it's about streamlining your entire financial ecosystem. It allows you to more accurately forecast your cash flow, reduce administrative burdens, and focus on what truly matters, growing your business. Think about it. When your payroll is seamlessly integrated with your expense management, you gain a holistic view of your financial landscape. This isn't just about knowing how much money you have coming in, it's about understanding how it interacts with your outgoing expenses, giving you a clearer picture for budgeting and strategic decision-making. So, whether you're a small business owner looking to optimize your payroll process, an employee wanting to ditch the paper checks, or simply someone looking for a more efficient way to manage your income, understanding how to set up direct deposit in Roger is an invaluable skill. This isn't just a technical tutorial, it's an investment in your financial well-being. Today, we're going to break down the entire process, step by step, making it as clear and straightforward as possible. We'll cover everything from logging into your Roger account to confirming your direct deposit details. By the end of this video, you'll have all the knowledge and confidence you need to set up direct deposit like a pro. Let's begin. Step 1. Logging into your Roger account. Our journey begins, as most digital journeys do, at the login screen. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Roger login page. You will typically find this by searching for Roger Login or by going directly to their official website. Once you're there, enter your registered email address and your password. If you've enabled two-factor authentication, which I highly recommend for any financial platform, you'll also need to input the verification code sent to your phone or generated by your authenticator app. This extra layer of security is crucial for protecting your financial data. After successfully logging in, you'll be greeted by your Roger dashboard. This is your central hub for managing all your financial operations within the platform. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't already. You'll typically see an overview of your accounts, recent transactions, and various navigation options. Step 2. Navigating to the direct deposit section. Now that we're inside Roger, our next task is to find the direct deposit setup section. The exact location might vary slightly based on updates to the Roger interface, but generally, you're looking for something related to settings, payroll, bank accounts, or company information. Look for a main navigation menu, usually on the left-hand side or at the top of the screen. Common labels to look for include Settings. This is a good starting point for most account-related configurations. Company. Often, direct deposit details are tied to your company's financial information. Bank accounts. This is a direct hit for managing where your money goes. Payroll. If you're setting this up for your employees, this section is key. Once you click on the relevant menu option, you might see a submenu appear. Scan for options like direct deposit, payment settings, add bank account, or payroll settings. Click on the option that most closely matches direct deposit or bank accounts. If you're having trouble locating it, don't hesitate to use the search bar within Roger, if available. Simply type direct deposit or bank accounts, and it should point you in the right direction. Step 3. Initiating the direct deposit setup. Upon reaching the direct deposit or bank account management section, you'll likely see an option to add bank account, set up direct deposit, or manage payment methods. Click on this button to begin the setup process. Roger, like most secure financial platforms, will likely guide you through a series of prompts. This is where you'll be inputting your banking information. Step 4. Providing your bank account details. This is the most critical step, as accuracy here is paramount. You'll need two main pieces of information for your bank account. Bank name, the full legal name of your financial institution, e.g., First National Bank, Chase Bank, Access Bank. Account number, this is your unique bank account number. It's usually found on your checks, bank statements, or by logging into your online banking portal. Double-check this number very carefully. Routing number, this 9-digit number identifies your bank and is essential for electronic transfers. Like your account number, it can be found on your checks, usually at the bottom left, bank statements, or your online banking platform. Pro tip, many banks have different routing numbers for different types of transactions, e.g., wires versus ACH direct deposits. It's always best to confirm the correct routing number for ACH direct deposits with your bank directly if you're unsure. A quick call to their customer service or a check of their official website should provide this information. You may also be asked to select the account type, which will typically be checking or savings. Select the appropriate option for the account you wish to use for direct deposit. Important note on accuracy, one single incorrect digit in either your account number or routing number can cause significant delays in your direct deposit or, worse, send your funds to the wrong account. Take your time, double-check, and even triple-check these numbers before proceeding. It's worth the extra minute to ensure everything is perfect. Step 5. Verifying your bank account, microdeposits. For security purposes and to confirm that the bank account you've provided truly belongs to you, Roger will likely initiate a verification process. The most common method for this is microdeposits. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.